Are you hungry? Well, it's Food Truck Festival 2024 right here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Let's go. Check it out. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and we're down here for the Food Truck Festival in Myrtle Beach 2024. And as you can tell, they moved it this year. It's supposed to be so large, and there's about 35 vendor trucks out here this year as opposed to 15 to 20 as last year. So they decided to move it up here where they have the Jeep stand, which is called
Which is where the mall used to be. Myrtle Beach Mall used to be in this location. They hold special events like the Jeep Jam and now the Food Truck Festival.
As soon as we get in here, we get rushed inside by an ambulance, so I'm not exactly sure what's going on. Maybe someone's sugar dropped, but if they're okay, we're going to go ahead and check out and see what they have. And I see over here, the first truck is tacos. The second one right beside it is lemonade. And just always remember, if you happen to see us out, make sure you come up and speak. We love to hear your comments, love to see you guys, and we thank you for all your support. I'm not sure what you're in the mood for, but there is a lot of people out here this year, and don't you think that they can definitely spread out?
Yes.
So here is the most popular one that we see at all the festivals. Like the Jeep Jam and all that, and it looks like they got cheesesteak. They were also down there in North Myrtle Beach for the St. Patrick's Day Parade.
I do believe that was the same one.
Festival, yeah. And they also have funnel cakes. And don't forget, it is very cold out here, so you're going to see some people with their hoodies on. I actually had to pull mine over because I can't take that wind on my ears. And so a lot of people are in coats and everything. One day it's like 80 degrees, the next day it's in the 60s. Look at here, Beatbox. Once again, it's the Smoking Gringos. And look at all the trophies that they won. And as you can tell, they have a line. Smells good. And I know those hibachi lovers love that Jimmy D's. They are also right here for the food truck.
Now here's some extra vendors that are not food vendors, right?
Right, and that's where our girl with lip scents, Nikki, Little Precious, is over there selling the mess out of her lip scents. As you can tell, the hibachi also has some lemonade, some fresh lemonade over there. And look at that rice, and they're putting on that shrimp sauce.
There's a lot of food trucks down that way, too.
There's just food trucks galore all over the place, so it's awesome. Come on, let's go on down this way.
All right.
All righty, and we got the Crazy Mason, and let's travel on down.
And what's that way down there?
Deep fried turkey wings.
What? That looks like it might be good.
It does.
And then, what are these?
Is that beach tacos? Or what is that?
Beach bites.
Yum.
And Black Cat Kitchen. Black Cat Kitchen again?
We're here at Beach Bites, and they got cheeseburgers, mushrooms, buffalo chicken bites, and she said they are delicious. Cajun shrimp, yummy. And like the children say, if you always look at the longest lines, so the Crazy Mason and this lobster truck right here, those are the two longest that I've seen of the day.
What's that? Wild Child. Don't know what they serve.
So this lobster truck looks like they have lobster bisque and
lobster rolls.
Lobster, yeah, that looks delicious. I guess it's good if they're standing in line. The Cuban Rubens, and they got a barbecue pork sandwich, quesadillas, and street corn. Yum! We might have to come back and try some street corn. You know I love that.
And this is at the Cuban Rubens?
Cuban Rubens. Alrighty, and right over here, located behind me, is where you can bring your food and kind of rest a little bit and enjoy your meal without spilling it in the parking lot. And behind there is the vendor tents, and it looks like more food trucks on back that way. So come on, we're not done yet.
Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
barbecue. Look at that. Pulled pork sandwiches for $12.14. Looks delicious. That's the real deal right there.
Look at this.
Holy moly. Okay, I think he's talked us into a pulled pork barbecue sandwich. Let's try it. Here we go. Oh my goodness, look at that. Delicious. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
All right.
You put stuff on it, right?
I
Right
will.
over there.
Right over there.
All right. So that's Halfback Barbecue and Smokehouse from Sevierville, Tennessee.
And they have your official Myrtle Beach Food Truck Festival merch right here. I know how y'all love that merch, so get you a shirt. And remember, so you won't miss it next year. They have beer for $5, wine for $7, and Ghost Energy for $5, and Liquid Death, which we won't be needing any of that, for $3.
What the heck's Liquid Death?
We're close enough as it is there before we need that.
Oh, Lord.
So now we're getting into the vendor section of the truck festival. As you can see, there's hats in front of us, T-Mobile's here, and then there is Smiling Faces, Beautiful Places, South Carolina. And here's our girl, lip scent. So remember, if you ever need that lip that won't come off, make sure you check out our girl. She's at every festival all around the Grand Strand. She sells makeup, night cream, and everything. And we just found another long line is the Island Noodles, award-winning Island Noodles. Oh my Gigi. So here we have Heavenly Cheesecake by Tony. And I can't believe that there's not a line for this one yet. All right, come on, Beatbox. Let's keep on walking.
I was wondering if they were going to have pizza here.
Yeah, look at that. So it's a cone shape. It's a cone shaped pizza. Look at here, Beatbox.
Oh, wow.
That's kind of like how you roll it up. We might have to try one of those.
And I could have invented that the whole time.
And it's $10 for cheese and $10 for a pepperoni and chicken.
Waffles on a stick. Right there, the Wicked Waffle. All right, so what are you about to do?
I'm about to get me and Precious a orange berry mimosa because they're running out of a lot of stuff and we got to get it before it's hot.
All right, now where are we going to get it from?
Right here at the Booze Pop.
Right, the kids have the ice cream truck and you have the booze pop.
And they can say, baby, come on, baby, come on. So we decided to go with a high roller menu and get her 2 shots since she's got to stay out here all day. And then I went with the peach mango Bellini. Show us what you got.
The lemon drop shot and the blueberry shot.
And here is the peach Bellini.
Peach Bellini.
All right.
So we got us some street corn for $8.
Here's one more piece, and I'm going to try it, but not on film. Well, there you have it. That was a look at the 2024 Myrtle Beach food truck right here in beautiful Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Right at its new location up here where the mall used to be.
That's right. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did filming it.
Yep, and make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach.
And as always, keep beaching and eating. And see you in the next video.
All right, and go.
And they also have a Cajun shrimp rice, or buffalo shrimp rice.
Yum.
Buffalo chicken wrap rice.
What is it? Say it again.
A buffalo chicken wrap for $13. Alrighty, and we got the Kona ice.
Kona?
Y'all know I can't read.
All right, so what are you about to do?
I'm about to get me and Precious a orange berry mimosa because they're running out of a lot of stuff and we got to get it before it's hot.
All right, now where are we going to get it from?
Right here at the Booze Pops.
Booze Pops.
And I think that these should go in every neighborhood with a taco truck following it.
Where's the stick?
Right here.
Notice.
There's no stick.
There's no stick to hold it. How am I supposed to eat this thing like this?
How is it, Bebop, besides on your face? Nobody wants to see that.
I don't think I like street corn anymore. It's too messy.
Well, here's one more piece, and I'm going to try it, but not on film.